Let's see what this thing sounds like in the daytime. It's always funny when guys get their bike started and they be like, cold start. I don't even know what that means. I guess it's always a cold start unless you're starting from warm, but here we go. Cold start. As you can hear, it sounds a lot deeper than it used to be, and I'm all right with it. It sounds better than the sewing machine that it used to have going. So but with the exhaust systems, generally now with the M8s, you need to have it in first gear to really hear like the true sound. Like when it's in neutral, you don't really get the true sound of it. So as I ride on this bike over time, it's gonna sound a little bit better. I don't know, there's no fiberglass in these pipes, so it's probably gonna sound the same from start to finish. But it's my first 2-in-1 on a touring bike. Not too bad. I was just worried that it would forever have that sewing machine sound. It's not Grady though. This thing here. I'm gonna turn Grady on and watch Grady just drown this thing out. Get it in neutral. Whoops, there we go. All right, let's see what Grady sounds like. Cold start. Uh-oh. Come on, Grady. There we go. Now that's how a bike's supposed to sound. Look at that. Throwing flags everywhere. I can't even hear my brain with Grady. See, Grady, man, that's just on a whole nother level. Yeah, that's Quiet Storm, that's Grumpy Grady. So